Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem where Instagram can't access your photos or videos. If you see errors like allow access to photos or your gallery is not loading, this video will help you fix it quickly. So let's get started. First, check app permissions. For that, open your settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search Instagram. Go to permissions and enable photos, media, files, camera and microphone. As you can see, camera, microphone, photos and videos are already enabled in mine. So here you just need to choose allow, right? After allowing permissions, restart Instagram and check again. And sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, so restart your device and check again. If nothing works, uninstall Instagram, restart phone, install again, log in and check photo access. And that's it. That is how you fix photo and video access not working on Instagram. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you need more tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.